What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So the first thing is check your battery. So what I mean by that, check your battery, is make sure you have no corrosion on the battery. Look the battery over. Test the battery. If you have a voltmeter, anything like that, test your battery. Make sure it's in good working condition. If your car is hesitant to start every morning or at nighttime, whatever, go down to your local AutoZone or your local dealership and tell them you need a battery or you want to get your battery tested. So the reason why is because once it's starting to get cold, guess what's going to happen? That battery is not going to want to start up the vehicle. Now you're looking like, yo, hold on, I know I got a good battery. So yeah, check your battery, make sure you got a good battery, make sure you don't have no corrosion, and make sure your battery voltage is where it needs to be. The second thing is replace your wiper blades and refill your wiper fluid. Yes, so in the wintertime, you probably use your wiper blades a little bit more than in the summertime. So go over your wiper blades, make sure they don't have no rips, no tears, and make sure your the rubber on the wiper blades is not hard. So yeah, and while you at it, go ahead and see if you got wiper fluid in your vehicle. Make sure you got that de-icer wiper fluid. If ice be on your windshield and you know how you be in a rush and you like, God darn it, nah, you can just use some de-icer and it'll melt the ice off your windshield. So yeah. So the next thing is checking your heater and your defroster. Yes. What I mean by checking your heater and your defroster, as in while it's still warm outside, go outside and make sure the heater works. So put your car on full blast on the heat side and just hold your hand over the vents. Make sure some heat coming out. If you do not feel heat, make sure you have some antifreeze in the car or some coolant. So if you don't have no coolant, that's one of the reasons where you don't have no heat coming out of the vehicle. But if you got coolant, go down to your local mechanic or your local dealership and tell them, hey, my car is blowing out cool air. And you don't want to be caught dead in the winter while you're driving and the heat is not working. You're looking like, yo, this is crazy. And make sure your defroster works, the rear window. So make sure that rear window is defrosting everything. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go to that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.